Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to unbox the MI trimmer. So we have two versions, I can say like that. So if you see, the old version has a normal MI beard trimmer. Now this version has a name as tagline as 1C also. So it's a tail, we can say like that. So there is two differences between these two. The one is the price difference and the second one is the quality and quantity also. So if you see this specifications, it has 60 minutes of running time. So the previous one has a 90 minutes, means it's 1.5 hours it will come, but here it is only one hour time. Okay, so while charging the trimmer we cannot use it, so as per they have informed. So but the old version we can use while trimming also. So if you see this, what is inside of this product, before that I will show what's on the this box. So it's showing that this has a 20 length adjustment settings. So in previous one we have two sets of adjustments, but here they are providing only one set, which is too bad. And here they are self sharpening blades, so which is common for both the trimmers, so old version and new version also. So if you see the quantity of this, whatever the products they are giving, user manual is giving, charging cable is giving, so cleaning brush also they are giving. So the price it's showing that 1200 rupees, so we have bought for 800 rupees, so it is quite good in this price range. So we cannot expect this for long time, so we have to purchase something and we have to believe someone. So we have purchased this one, so let's hope for best, it will come for more long time. So it's manufactured from China and it's imported to Karnataka, and we have toll-free numbers to if you have any problem, charging tape or indications are not working, like that small changes we can modify after reaching to service centers. So if you see this month and year of manufacturing also they have given like June 2020. So these are the details, and China from origin is China. So these are the box outlets. So the looks which is quite similar to old versions. And if you open this box, right, so they have given again protection on this top of that. So this is the trimmer. So main concept they have covered with a neat polythene cover. So if you open this, so the looks which is look similar to the old version, but some few minor changes. If you see the wheel, which is has a rubber covered, so which is rubber model. The old version has a total plastic model. If you see the bottom, they have given the adapters of range of 5 volts and of 2 amps input we have to provide. So it will consume only 3 volts power. If you once charged it, then we have to use it. So while charging we cannot use it, as per I have explained before. So they have given this only one set. So in previous one they have given the one other set also. So this is a designed model on the top. So for the old version it has a similar different construction type. So if you easily remove this, like bringing this upward direction, and if you see this between, maybe they have a small plastic type of some supporter, so which is not provided in the old version. So this is a updated version, we can say like that, so which is user friendly. It has a major change which I like is type USB charger. So in previous ones, if you see, there is a two pin model, so which is not compatible, it's not available for all the areas. If you have forgotten or anywhere, so you can easily charge this using the USB type of charger. So if you see here, this is at a sidewise back side of this trimmer, I can say like that. If you want to charge it without using this inbuilt, they have given the charging cable, right? So without using that also you can charge it using your personal mobiles also, mobile charger. So this is quite good. So what else is given is like they have given user manual as well, and this is a travel kit. So one more option is like this is similar to both the versions, but I want to just notify that if you click on this home power button for 3 minutes, so it will going to be in travel mode. So unnecessarily if you press on this top, right, so it will not get started like that. So next, if you see what is inside, so this is the cable. So and there we have a brush also. So if you have any dust particles inside of this trimmer, right, so we have to clean it with using this brush. So in previous version, so you can easily clean up with water. So these are the major differences. So if you like this video, please like and share the video, and if you want to do this watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks, I hope this video you like. So please, it's a great helpful for us to subscribe us. Thank you.